morning, sir. Good morning, mates. We are the Group 1, and I'm Engine Cadet David.
I'm Engine Cadet De Vera Ramel.
I am Engine Cadet Fernandez.
I'm Engine Cadet De La Cruz.
And today we will discuss the impact of oil spills in the environment and provide sample of oil spills and discuss its ecological, environmental, and financial damage caused. So what is oil spills? An oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the marine environment, especially the marine ecosystem. Due to human activity, is a form of pollution. The term is usually given to marine oil spills, where oil is released into the ocean or coastal waters, but spills may also occur on land. Oil spills can result from the release of crude oil from tankers, offshore platforms, drilling rigs, and wells. They may also involve spills of refined petroleum products such as gasoline and diesel fuel, as well as their byproducts. Additionally, heavier fuels used by large ships, such as bunker fuel or spills of any oily refuse or waste oil, contribute to such incidents. These spills can have severe environmental and economic consequences. This is the impact of oil spills in the marine environment and also in the marine life. Impact on marine wildlife. Oil spills directly harm marine animals by coating their bodies, destroying the insulating properties of fur in mammals like sea otters and the water repellent abilities of birds' feathers, impairing their ability to fly, swim, or hunt. Oil spills can also cause toxic poisoning, as many components of oil are toxic to marine organisms. When ingested or absorbed, these chemicals can cause severe health issues or death in affected wildlife. So next is suffocation and habitat. Suffocation and habitat destruction. Oil forms a thick layer on the water surface, preventing oxygen and sunlight from penetrating below. This can suffocate fish, crustaceans, and plankton while also inhibiting photosynthesis by marine plants, algae, and plankton. Oil spills can also destroy sensitive coastal habitats such as mangroves, seagrass, meadows, and coral reefs. The oil can smother mangrove trees and corals in the same way it impacts other marine life. So next is the food chain disruption and contamination. Oil spills disrupt the food chain by affecting smaller animals first, when then impact larger fish and marine mammals that consume them. This contamination can also result in significant economic losses for fish farmers and disrupt local food supplies.
Suffocation and habitat destruction. Oil forms a thick layer on the water surface, preventing oxygen and sunlight from penetrating below. This can suffocate fish, crustaceans, and plankton while also inhibiting photosynthesis by marine plants, algae, and plankton. Oil spill can also destroy sensitive coastal habitat such as mangroves, seagrass, windows, and coral reef. Food chains disruption and contamination. Oil spill disrupt the food chains by affecting similar animals, fish, which then impact the larger fish and marine mammals that consume them. This contamination can also result in significant economic losses for fish farmers and disrupt local food supplies.
And next is sample of oil spill and its ecological, environmental, and financial damage caused. Deepwater Horizon in 2010. This oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico, resulting from an explosion on a BP operated on oil rig is considered the largest accidental marine oil spill in history. Approximately 206 million gallons of oil gushed into the ocean for 85 days. Ecological damage. The spill caused widespread death and injury to marine life, including birds, fish, sea turtle, and marine mammals. Environmental damage. The oil-contaminated vast stretch of coastline, affecting water quality and harming coastal habitats. Financial damage. The cleanup cost billions of dollars, and BP faced massive legal liabilities and fines. Persian Gulf War oil spill in the year 1991. During the Persian Gulf War, Iraqi force internationally released an estimated 380 to 520 million gallons of oil into the Persian Gulf. Ecological damage. This massive spill caused widespread mortality among marine organisms, significantly impacting biodiversity. And next is Exxon Valdez in the year 1989. The Exxon Valdez oil tanker ran aground in Prince William Sound, Alaska, releasing approximately 11 million gallons of crude oil. Ecological damage. The spill had devastating impact of wildlife, particularly sea otters, birds, and salmon. Environmental damage. The oil contaminated thousands of miles of coastline, causing significant damage to sensitive habitats. The cleanup efforts were extensive and costly, but still left residual oil in the environment for years. Facial damage. Exxon faced massive legal liabilities and cleanup costs. The spill also severely impacted Alaska fishing and tourism industries, resulting in significant economic losses for local communities. Financial damage. Exxon faced massive legal liabilities and cleanup costs. The spill also severely impacted Alaska fishing and tourism industries, resulting in significant economic losses for local communities.
So next, let's go to the different oil spill incidents that happens in the Philippines. So first, let's have the motor tanker or the marine tanker Princess Empress on the year 2023. The sinking of the motor tanker Princess Empress off the coast of Oriental Mindoro is considered one of the worst in Philippine history. Why? Because this vessel has carried approximately 800,000 liters of industrial fuel oil, much of which leaked into the ocean. So let's have the ecological damage. The spill severely impacted marine life, including fish, corals, and other marine organisms. Thousands of hectares of coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds were affected, disrupting crucial ecosystems and impacting biodiversity. So let's have the environmental damage. The oil contaminated vast stretches of coastline, rendering beaches unusable and polluting coastal waters. Let's have the financial damage. The estimated environmental damage alone may reach 7 billion in Philippine peso. Next is the Guimaras oil spill on the year 2006. The sinking of the marine vessel Solar Eye off the coast of Guimaras resulted in the release of millions of liters of oil, considered the worst oil spill in the Philippines at the time. Let's have the ecological damage. A widespread damage to marine life, coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds occurred. The spill significantly impacted the biodiversity of the Guimaras Strait, a rich fishing ground. Let's have the environmental damage. So, extensive coastal pollution occurred, affecting water quality and coastal habitats. Cleanup efforts were extensive and costly, but long-term environmental effects persisted. Next, let's have the financial damage. The spill severely impacted the fishing and tourism industry in Guimaras, resulting in significant economic losses. Rehabilitation costs were estimated in the millions of dollars. Next, let's have the Manila Bay oil spill. Happened on various years. So, here in Manila Bay has seen several significant oil spills over the years, often involving tankers and pipelines. Ecological damage. These spills have consistently damaged marine life, coastal habitats, and water quality in Manila Bay, a vital economic gateway. So next, the environmental damage. The spills have polluted the bay's waters, affecting sensitive ecosystems and impacting human health. The financial damage. The economic impact is substantial, affecting fisheries, tourism, and other industries reliant on a healthy Manila Bay. Cleanup costs and long-term environmental remediation are significant. And to finally conclude our discussion on this morning, so oil spills are a major environmental threat with long-term consequences for both marine life and human communities. While natural processes can help break down oil over time, the cost by spills can be severe and long-lasting. It is crucial to prevent oil spills through stricter regulations and improved safety measures. So that's all for this morning. I hope you learned something and enjoyed watching. Again, we are the Group 1. Thank you for listening and watching our video reporting.